Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. The price line of Bitcoin is still moving in this rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will again try to analyze whether the price line will break down this support or it will break out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can follow the link I've shared in the video's description. Now let's move to the chart, and first of all, let me to start from this 4-hourly time frame. And I told you that we are also testing the 50 simple moving average on the 4-hourly time frame chart again and again. And after this retest, the price action again tested this 50 simple moving average here, and now after testing this 50 simple moving average, it is likely to move up from here. And at the same time, on the daily time frame, the price line is also testing the 200 simple moving average as well. And I told you that this is a very critical movement for the Bitcoin. Therefore, we need to watch this move on the daily time frame. If you will switch to the 4-hourly time frame chart, then you will see that the price action almost broke down the support. However, it is re-entered in this rising wedge pattern again. And for the firm confirmation of the breakdown or breakout, we need to watch it on the daily time frame, because on the small time frame we can have some false signal and you can stuck in a bear trap. So now we are still moving above this 200 simple moving average, and we are almost inside this rising wedge pattern again. And this 50 simple moving average, this is very important, it's still moving towards the upside to form a golden cross with the 200 simple moving average. And I told you that the major move towards the downside or towards the upside always triggers before the golden cross or death cross happens. For example, previously we saw that when this death cross was being formed and this 50 simple moving average just started moving to the downside, and this 200 simple moving average was moving towards the upside to form the death cross. And here we had this death cross formation here, but you can see that the major move towards the downside was happened before this death cross. And same is like that. We are witnessing that before the golden cross, the 50 simple moving average has started moving towards the upside, and the 200 simple moving average is still moving sideways. And before this golden cross, we have seen this major move towards the upside. You can see that this 50 simple moving average is getting more and more aggressive to form this golden cross. And within few days, we can receive this golden cross. However, now at this time, the 50 simple moving average is going to form a bull cross with the 100 simple moving average as well on this daily time frame. That is also another positive and bullish signal. And now I want to show you the different candlesticks. Like for example, here we received a bullish engulfing candlestick after this bearish candlestick that engulfed the body of this bearish candlestick. That was a clear indication that from here we can have a trend reversal. And indeed the trend was reversed from there. And here we had another the sequence of the bearish candlesticks. And now here, this body of the candlestick engulfed the previous body of this bearish candlestick. That was a bullish candlestick. And that was another indication that we can have another rally from here. And here we had another bearish candlestick, and this candlestick engulfed the body of this bearish candlestick, and we had another move towards the upside. Now here, we're not only having a bullish engulfing candlestick, but in fact it was another Marubozu candlestick. That is a trend continuation signal. That was another signal that we have only less than 5% spike of the candlestick and a complete solid body. And from here we can have this rally, the continuation of this rally. Therefore, it is possible after this signal that the price line will continue this rally and it will not break down the support of the rising wedge. However, it is a bearish reversal pattern. It is possible, still possible, that it can break down. And if in case if it will break down the support of this rising wedge, then I'm not expecting that it will move to the support of this rising wedge. For example, if most of the traders are taking it from here, and in this situation, our target It can be $37,500. In fact, it was started from here. But if you watch the moving averages, we have the support of the 25 simple moving average. We also have the support of 100 and 50, and now the 50 is moving up and forming the bull cross. Therefore, it can be fake out in case the price line will be closed below this support of the rising wedge. Now I want to show you a very important signal that has just appeared, and here I have placed the RSI indicator. Previously we saw that here the price action was forming higher highs and the RSI was failed to form the higher high. Here you can see the price action formed the higher high. The RSI, the relative strength index, formed another higher high, but here the RSI formed another lower high while the price action formed the higher high. So that was a slightly bearish divergence on the daily time frame. Now, if we take a look at the recent higher lows, like for example here, the price action formed the higher low, and the RSI also formed another higher low. Now here we had another higher low by the price action, and we also had another higher low by the RSI as well. Now take a look at the next higher low from here. We had another higher low. You can see that this low is higher than the previous low. Let me place this trend line, then it will be easy for you to watch it. This is the higher than the previous. This low is higher than the previous low. Now take a look at the RSI here. We have the lower than the previous low. Now from here, we have another higher low than the previous low. And take a look at the RSI. The RSI has formed another lower than the previous low, and this is a perfect hidden bullish divergence appeared on the daily time frame. And previously I've already shown you that we have on the long term, this is the daily time frame, and on the long term we have already received this bull cross between the exponential moving average 21 and 10. The exponential moving average 10, this blue line has crossed up this red line, the EMA 21. And previously we have seen that whenever these EMAs have formed the bull crosses, we have seen the major bullish rallies towards the upside. So on the long term, we already had received the perfect buying signal for the long term. But on the daily time frame, this bearish divergence has just change to the bullish hidden bullish divergence, and it is now possible that the price line will break out this resistance of this rising wedge pattern. However, this is really very important and decision making time for the price line of Bitcoin, whether it is going to break down the support or not. We are having so many supports below the price action. Like, this is very important that the price action is accumulated above the 200 simple moving average. At the same time, we are also having the support of this rising wedge pattern as well. Therefore, there is a possibility that if we will have a breakdown, then it can be a fake out or a bear trap, and the price action can be reversed and entered inside this rising wedge. And there is also a possibility for the breakout as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I've shared the link in the video's description to join me here. Take care. Goodbye.